Hi everyone and welcome to We Love Art. My name is Denise and today we're going to recreate the Son of Man, originally created by Rene Magritte. So we're going to start today in the background of this painting. And in the background we see a beautiful group of clouds. So first we're going to create a kind of bluish tone on the brush, just like this, bluish. But as you can see on the left side it's darker. So I'm gonna add in some extra black. So for now, with a lot of paint on my brush, I'm gonna apply this color on the canvas. And I'm gonna apply the color in a rounded motion, just so we already get that nice cloud feeling. Now, what is important, the sky is never just this one color. We need to create a nice variation of various colors. And how to do that? Well, we know what the mixture will be for the darker clouds. And now we're gonna create slight variations on this mixture. So now I'm gonna slowly transition towards the right side. The right side is a little bit lighter, so we're gonna add in more light colors. As you can see here, the wet on wet technique is not working for me because this section is dry. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna activate this section by just applying one more layer of this dark paint right next to the light paint. And again, I can then place my finger in between and create a soft transition by using the wet on wet technique. The background is now created and now we can move on towards the main feature of today, the man. And the man is Magritte himself. So let's start with the skin color. So for the skin color we are going to mix white with brown. Now the more brown you add in, the darker the skin color and the lighter the skin color. Then I'm going to add tiny bit of red, tiny bit of yellow, and remember these are only small portions, and a tiny bit of blue. And this will be the base tone of my skin color. And I'm gonna apply this first on the face, on the neck and on the hands. And after that I'm gonna apply the shadow tone which is placed on the right side of his face. Well done on your beautiful masterpiece, your very own take on the Son of Man, originally created by Magritte. I hope you loved today's painting as much as I do and that it deserves a beautiful spot for on your wall. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you so much for watching and I look forward to see you very soon again. Bye!